When working around heavy equipment on construction site, here are some safety tips. Part 2. Spotters are required for every construction site. Building site spotters are required for every construction site. They give heavy equipment operators and ground personnel visual and verbal indications to ensure that everyone has enough open space to move and perform properly. Spotters also assist operators in removing blind spots so that heavy equipment can travel without colliding with a worker or pedestrian. A spotter should wear brightly colored clothing to increase visibility and know how to safely steer heavy equipment about the workplace using hand gestures. Awareness at the workplace. While deploying spotters can help heavy equipment operators avoid blind spots while moving or swinging their machines, the operator should always be aware of their surroundings. Underground wires, gas lines, and water pipelines should be identified or have barriers installed to keep the equipment from coming into direct contact with them. When working with above electrical wires, the wires should be de-energized, moved, or barriers should be installed to prevent any unintended contact. Use equipment for its intended purpose. Multifunctionality is a feature of several heavy equipment. Because the machines can do so many things, the contractor can save money by using fewer pieces of equipment. However, just because heavy equipment can accomplish tasks with a variety of attachments does not mean it should be employed for every job on the job site. Safety on the worksite in relation to the construction project. The size, type of equipment employed, and jobs that must be completed will all affect the cost of a construction project. To handle the hazards that may occur at each location, safety procedures and protocols should be devised. Then, to ensure that everyone understands their roles in maintaining a safe and functional job site, all workers should be extensively instructed on these practices. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.